One of the earliest chants tells about the Polynesian migration over to the Hawaiian Islands. It's called Eya Hawaii, and it tells of the Hawaiians as they first sighted the islands of Hawaii, and it says, "Here is Hawaii, the island. Eya Hawaii iahe motu. I am a man. I am the person that has come to settle on these islands. Eya Hawaii iahe motu. Ahe kanaka iahe. Ahe kamana tahiti. Laua o kapulana ke hau. Eya no Hawaii iahe motu. Ahe kanaka iahe. I am a child of Kupulehua. I am a child of my far-off ancestors, and I have come to settle these lands."
Who came first to Hawaii? All of the Kanakas. Who came first to Hawaii? All of us Kanakas. And how come us Kanakas? We no own the Aina. And how come us Kanakas? We only like fight one another. We only want to pretend and be like the greedy man. Don't want to give back, don't want to share, don't even want to try to understand. I said, now how can you sit back while they're desecrating the land? And how can you sit back while they're desecrating the ocean? And how can we fight back? We got to read, research, vote, and work the land. And how can they desecrate and tell us that they still love this land? Away, away.
This place is called Ka'ala. In Hawaiian, it means the way, the path. And for many Hawaiians, it represents so much about our past, but it also connects us to our future. Here, we grow taro, which is the ancient and sacred plant. Here we grow tea leaf, which is a medicinal plant. This place was the place of the first music, of the water feeding the lo'i, of the birds, of the people working. This whole place, the land, the Aina. Aina means that which feeds, that which nourishes, but much more than just in a physical sense. It's a place that feeds your soul. It's the thing that keeps us living. It's a thing that is celebrated in music. I have a poem that I'd like to share. It's called Choosing My Name. When I was born, my mother gave me 3 names: Christabel, Yoshie, and Puanani. Christabel was my English name, my Social Security card name, my school name, the name I gave when teachers asked me for my real name. It was a safe name. Yoshie was my home name, my everyday name, the name that reminded my father's family that I was Japanese, even though my nose, hips, and feet were wide. The name that made me acceptable to them who called my Hawaiian mother Kuroi, black. It was a saving name. Kuanani is my chosen name. It's my Piko name, connecting me to the Aina and the Kai and the Po'ekahiko. It's my blessing, my burden, my amulet, my spear.
Who came first to Hawaii? All of the Kanaka. Now who came first to Hawaii? All of us Kanakas. Then how come us Kanakas? We no own the Aina. Then how come us Kanaka? We only like fight one another. We only want to pretend and be like the greedy man. Don't want to give back, don't want to share, don't even want to try to work the land. I said, now how can you sit back while they're desecrating the land? And how can you sit back while they're desecrating the ocean? And how can we fight back? We got to read, research, vote, and understand. And how can they desecrate and tell us that they still love this land? Oh, oh.
This land of aloha.
Our amazing feat. 21 years of Hawaiian music.
We are KCCN Honolulu.
Hawaiian Radio.
It's about 12 minutes now to 3 o'clock. KCCN's Afternoon Club. I'm Brickwood, and it's Hawaiian Radio at its finest. Special guest here today, a good buddy of mine, a fellow colleague, Hawaiian style, Israel Kamakaviva Ole. Aloha, brother. Oh, oh. You know what we want to talk about? Let's talk about the beautiful angelic voices of the Makaha Sons of Niihau. You guys got a style that is hard to duplicate, but here and again, I hear that style in church choirs a lot.
Through the years, we've grown musically. We've explored the outer boundaries of Hawaiian music, meaning not only Hawaiian music, but we'd say contemporary, country, rock, reggae, calypso, Cajun, you name it. Mm-hmm. And we utilize all of these into one certain, structure, like you say, church, choral.
Yeah.
From the heart.
From the heart.